MCQs of gene transfer. MCQs number 1. Introduction of DNA molecules into recipient organism in term as option 1 transformation, B translation, C transduction, D transcription. The correct option is option 1 transformation. MCQs number 2. Many bacterial species are having a natural ability to take up the exogenous DNA material. Which of the statement is not correct in regard to it? A. This ability is termed as competence. B. It is not limited to particular growth phase. C. The bacteria may develop new biochemical abilities under special conditions such as nutrient deprivation. D. Introduction of specific set of bacterial protein may take place. Correct option is option B. It is not limited to particular growth phase. This statement is not correct. MCQ number 3. Plant transformation vector based on agrobacterium can generally be divided into 2 vectors, 4 vectors, 6 vectors, 8 vectors. Correct option is option A, 2 vectors. MCQ number 4. Which of the statement hold true for conjugation? Option A. Conjugation is a natural process of transferring DNA from one species to another. B. It is the artificial process in the case cells are not able to take them up naturally. C. The plasmid are transferred from one cell to another by physical contact. D. The plasmid are transferred from one cell to another by chemical means. The correct option is option B. It is artificial process in the case cells are not able to take them up naturally. MCQ number 5. Plasmid is often used in conjugation. The correct statement is the F plasmid encodes the factor which is transferred from one cell to another. B. The factor encoded by F plasmid is called filamentous factor. C. It is transferred from one cell to another by filament. D. The bacteria must belong to same species to carry out the conjugation. The correct option is option A. The F plasmid encodes the factor which is transferred from one cell to another. MCQ number 6. Plasmid can be classified into how many types depend on genes present for their transformation. 1, 2, 3 or 4. The correct option is option B, 2. MCQ number 7. Chemical transformation refer to method which use chemical in order to carry transformation. Which of the following is true with respect to it? Chemical transformation decrease the efficiency of transformation as compared to natural transformation. Ice-cold calcium solution followed by heat shock is responsible for affecting the efficiency of DNA uptake. C. The mechanism responsible for it named as the heat shock model. Other complex mixture such as those containing manganese and hexamine cobalt cannot be used to affect the efficiency. The correct option is option B. Ice cold calcium solution followed by heat shock is responsible for affecting the efficiency of DNA uptake. MCQs number 8. Which of the following are used as selection marker for the cell transferred which agrobacterium? Neomycin phosphatotransferase, streptomycin phosphotransferase, agromycin phosphotransferase, any of the above. The correct option is option 4, any of the above. MCQ number 9. Viral infection can also be used up with DNA by the cell. This statement is true. MCQ number 10. Electroporation is also used for taking up DNA by the cell. It constitutes of inserting the DNA into cell via an electric shock. B. Increase efficiency than both natural and chemical method. C. Causing the least amount of damage in comparison of other method. D. Decrease efficiency than both natural and chemical method. The correct option is option A. Insertion the DNA into cell and electric shock. Electroporation is a process in which electric shock is used for transferring the DNA. MCQs number 11. Transformation carried out by using particle gun is known as ballistic transformation. It falls under which category of transformation? Physical, chemical, electroporation, natural. This method is a physical transformation method. 12. Where genes required for tDNA transfer and processing are located? On tDNA, B. Outside the tDNA region, C. On the plant genome, D. On none of these. The correct option is option B. Outside the tDNA region. 13. Particle gun method consists of which of the following step? DNA of interest is observed into microprojectile beads. B. These beads are often made of aluminium. C. The explosion in gun propels a macroprojectile forward, which in turn propels macroprojectile beads. D. Macroprojectile and microprojectile both cross the perforated plate and hit the target tissue behind it. The correct option is option C. MCQs number 14. tDNA transfer and processing into plant genome required products of which of following genes? Where A and B genes, where GC, where DE, all of these. The correct option is option D, all of these. MCQs number 15. Because of large size of TI plasmid, intermediate vector 4 are developed in which tDNA has been subcloned into PBR322 based plasmid vector, PRK 2013, PRN3, all of these. The correct option is option A, PBR322 based plasmid vector. 16. Transfer of intermediate vector into agrobacterium are brought about by transformation, biparental mating, triparental mating, transduction. The correct option is option C. It is triparental mating. MCQs number 17. In response to activating signal molecules, an endonuclease is produced that cause next in tDNA. It's encoded by where A, B, C or D. The correct option is option D, where D gene. MCQs number 18. Macro injection involves A. Injection of large amount of DNA. B. Injection of DNA into bigger cells. C. Injection with needle having diameter greater than cell diameter. D. All of these. The correct option is option C. Injection with the needles having diameter greater than the cell diameter. 19. Which of the following is not true for macro injection technique that involve transfer of DNA into protoplast? It is carried out with the help of macro manipulator. B. The recipient cells are immobilized on artificial support or artificial bond to substrate. It implies needle with diameter greater than cell diameter. All of these. The correct option is option C. It implies needle with diameter greater than the cell diameter. MCQs number 20. The right segment of octopoint tDNA TR is necessary for enzymes for agropine biosynthesis, tumor formation, conjugative transfer, all of these. The correct option is option A, enzyme for agropine biosynthesis. MCQs number 21. Opine synthesis is property of conferred to plant cell when it transferred by agrobacterium tumefaciens. B. Determined by bacterial agrobacterium tumefaciens. C. Both A and B. D. Of normal plant cells. The correct option is option C. Both A and B. Virulent strains of Agrobacterium contain large TI plasmid, which are responsible for DNA transfer and subsequent disease symptoms. It has been shown that TI plasmid contain 1. One set of sequence necessary for gene transfer, 2 set of sequence necessary for gene transfer, 3 sets of sequence necessary for gene transfer, or 4 sets of sequence necessary for gene transfer. The correct option is option B. B. 2 sets of sequence necessary for gene transfer. MCQs number 23. The direct repeats flanking the tDNA of Agrobacterium tumefaciens are known as cause site, flanking sequence, border sequence, transfer sequence. The correct option is option C. Border sequence.